And there it is, the classic victory roll of the Hurricane returning from the sortie. And in comes the Lancaster from the right. Note those KCA markings, and if you can see it, the nose art on the front of the aircraft. So that's KCA of 617 Squadron, the famous dambuster squadron, this of course being the 70th anniversary of the dambuster raids. And that nose art on the port side of the nose, which you won't see as she goes by this time, because on this side of the aircraft has the City of Lincoln crest. But the nose art is called, it's Pumper Mark III. Right, you can see the huge bomb bay that is open there. And you saw the bomb doors on either side of that. Well, in that famous dambusters raid, they had to take those bomb doors off so that they could fit the Barnes-Wallis bouncing bomb. Now, we can actually hear from the man most closely associated with the raid, Guy Gibson. There are very few recordings of him, even fewer, where what was a very modest man spoke about the dams raid itself. Here's what he said on a Canadian radio broadcast in 1944.
The time when you really face death, normally you don't know when you're going to die. You always think that it will not happen to me, but that raid on the dams was the one time when you knew that you were going to die or not die, the case may be. You know, the hair was hanging on a large day chain. And then there's just a feeling of funny empty feeling in the stomach, but you're not frightened.
The amazing Guy Gibson, BC, talking in a very rare interview about the dams raid.